What's the matter, David? You said you would be not mad at me. I'm sorry I ate all your candy. I got really hungry. I couldn't control myself. That's why candy's bad to have in the house. Come here. Oh. Did I make you sad? What? Tell me what's wrong. I'll buy you some more. You sure? You're not gonna forgive me? Not even if I buy you more? Tell me what's wrong. How does it make you feel? Do you remember that video we watched last year? Where the parents ate all the kids' candy? Do you remember? You sneaky mom! Do you remember? Do you remember? Is it a joke? You don't think it's a joke? Look at me. You think it's a joke? David, say Jimmy Kimmel, Mommy ate all my candy. Say it. You two in shock?